Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute bunny holding a carrot. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, or crayons, whatever you feel comfortable with to draw. I'm going to use this marker. To begin, we're going to start with the face by making a C shape or an upside down J. And I'm going to come up and down. There you go. And next we're going to make another J looking shape going downward and looping it over. That is for the bunny's cheeks, and we're going to finish off the bunny's cheeks by drawing a U shape and connecting it right there. Perfect. Let's close up this face by drawing the bunny's ears by making an N shape going up, loop around, and down. We're going to do it one more time for the other one. You can go up, around, and down. Up, around, and down. And to complete this ear, we're going to make an M shape. Ready? One, and whoop, and another loop. Perfect. I'll fix that line right there. Let's draw the inside of the ear by making another N parallel to that line, but a little bit smaller. You go up and loop around. Perfect. Okay, we have our bunny's ears. Let's start making that body. So we're going to go from the back and we're making an opposite C shape or J shape. Going down and loop it around. There you go. And then we're going to make a J line for the other part of the body by going down and looping it over. This is going to be the arm of the bunny. We gotta still close it up. We're going to make a U shape connecting from the bottom of the arm to the other leg. There we go. I'm going to fix this right here. Next, we're going to make the feet by making a U shape right there and make another U shape on the other side, connecting it where it's kind of indented. And we're going to make a C shape for the other arm holding the carrot right there. Cool. Let's start making that carrot. So it's going to take up that space in between the two arms. So it's going to, kind of like wrap around there. So let's start from the bottom by making a line going down and connecting it to the other arm. And then we're going to make an N shape. That's going to be the top of our carrot. Up and down. Next, let's make the top of the carrot by making cute curved lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and close it up. We're going to make some curved lines. That shows that our carrot is round and not flat. And connect that line right there. All right, we got our bunny and the carrot. Oh, it needs a face. Let's get those face features. We're going to start with making an oval shape for its eye. I'm going to put it right over here by its cheeks. And make a tiny circle. If you want to show that glare, make another oval shape and put a circle on the top and a tiny circle on the bottom. And I'm going to quickly color this in. And just a reminder, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video to catch up. Our bunny's eyes are almost done. Let's draw some cute eyebrows. Oh, and the tiny little nose by making an upside down triangle. There you have it. We're ready to color. You can use crayons, color pencil, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with. Enjoy! forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.